So viewers, welcome to our channel Crypto Wallets Info. In this video, we are going to discuss about Bitcoin wallet. Yes, we have already discussed about Bitcoin core wallet, but today we are going to create a paper wallet of Bitcoin. Yes, if you need to save your Bitcoin in cold storage, so you must have your paper wallet. So if you want to get this information, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So you can see here, I have uploaded almost 9 to 10 videos about Bitcoin Core Wallet. If you are going to use Bitcoin Core Wallet, you must watch all videos from my YouTube channel. So you just simple click on playlist button. Then you can also find my all Bitcoin Core Wallet videos. You can see here, I have upload how to set up, how to find wallet address, how to take the backup of your Bitcoin wallet, how to send the money from your Bitcoin Core Wallet. All information available on this my YouTube channel. So let's start over this video. I am going to open my Bitcoin Core Wallet. You can see here loading block index, and I'm going to check how much data remaining. You can see here still 2 years and 10 weeks behind, and almost estimated time left until synchronized 7 days, and total blocks left here and last block time here. So going to click on hide button. So yes, today we are going to open or create paper wallet. So first of all, I'm going to type here Bitcoin paper wallet. Yes, you can see that option is available here. I'm not recommending any website for creating paper wallet. It's depend on you. First, you need to complete your research. After that, you can create wallet. There's three main websites available here. If I'm going to click on it, walletgenerator.com. This is best for us or not. Yeah, this is also available here, walletgenerator.com. And if I'm going to check this website is trusted or not, you must check the complete review about this website. But I will go with first website, bitaddress.org. I'm again telling you this is not recommended. It's depend on you if you want to create your paper wallet or if you want to save your Bitcoin in cold storage wallet. This video is only for educational purpose. So you can see here the main page is open front of me, and you can also see here there is generating Bitcoin address. Move your mouse around to add some extra randoms or type some random characters into this text box. So let's suppose I'm going to move my mouse here, and you can see here the wallet is going to create, and also you can see here the percentage is 60%. And then let's suppose I'm type here some extra word. Let's suppose crypto. When I have to type crypto, so also the numbering is changed, and you can see here, yes, you can see here I have created my old storage wallet front of you. This is my wallet private key, and this is my wallet address. So keep in your mind, please don't use these information your personal use, because this video is only information purpose. I'm going to open them a notepad file for saving this information. Now you can see here, going to copy my wallet private key, copy, and after that paste here and type here Bitcoin wallet private key. Yes. And now I'm going to also save my wallet address. save my wallet address. Yes, copy and paste here. You can see here, I'm going to remove this option. Also type here address. Okay. I will save this file after stop this video, and also I'm going to take the print of my this wallet. If you have connected your printer with your laptop, so you just simple click on print option, and then you can see here the paper wallet will be printed, and you must save this paper wallet in safe place and make the multiple copies. Okay. So if you need to create a paper wallet, this is a single wallet. Simple click on second option, and there is you can see here 3 paper wallets created. If I am going to just create one, so click on one, and you can also encrypt your paper wallet. Simple click on it, and then you can just simple password here. So I just simple click the one paper wallet, click on generate. You can see here the paper wallet is generated. Click on print button, and now you can see here all information available in this paper wallet. This is my private key. This is my private key, and also this is my wallet address. Just simple click on print, so your paper wallet will be printed, and you can also make the multiple copy. If you want to save secure your paper wallet, so you just simple download zip file. First you need to disconnect your internet from your laptop. After that, means first you download, after that you disconnect your wallet before going to create your paper wallet. You can see here the GitHub is available here. You just simple click on it, and you can see here there is option available download zip, and now you can see here the wallet is open. I just click on my this wallet file, sorry, double click on it. Now you can see here I have download this website all information, and today I am going to create offline paper wallet. Just click on this folder. You before going to create your paper wallet, you must disconnect your internet. If you want to save your information, simple click on this HTML file, and this time your this website is not connected with internet, and I hope your information not be shared with anyone. So I'm going to again move my cursor on this my screen, and then you can see here without internet I have also create my wallet. Now you can see 97%, 100% is complete, and now my wallet is shown front of me. You can create a multiple wallets. You can also create a paper wallets. It's depend on you. You can also apply seed phrases. You can search on your behalf about this website. Okay. So as I hope you properly understand how can you create paper wallet, means how can you create cold storage wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.